Welcome to our tutorial on Introduction to Scripting in After Effects. If you are looking to automate your workflow, perform complex calculations, or access features not directly available through the graphical user interface, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the basics of scripting in Adobe After Effects, a powerful tool to enhance your productivity and creativity. Scripts are essentially a series of commands that direct an application to perform various operations. In Adobe After Effects, scripts can do wonders, from reordering layers within a composition, replacing text in text layers, to even sending an email when your rendering completes. Scripting expands your control beyond the conventional interface. While After Effects uses both expressions and the ExtendScript scripting language rooted in JavaScript, it's crucial to understand that expressions and scripting serve different purposes. Expressions define what a property is, whereas scripts command the application to perform actions. Despite their differences, having a grasp on JavaScript's fundamentals can significantly help in understanding both expressions and scripting within After Effects. The core of scripting in After Effects is its object model, which includes projects, compositions, render queue items, and all their elements like footage, layers, masks, and effects. Each of these elements is an object with unique attributes and an identity within your project. Understanding this object model is key to mastering scripting in After Effects. The After Effects object model is vast, comprising projects, items, compositions, layers, and render queue items, each with special attributes. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the structure to effectively write scripts that can navigate and manipulate these objects. Note that in scripting, what are typically known as properties in JavaScript are referred to as attributes here. To avoid confusion with After Effects definition of a property, such as animatable values of effects or masks, nearly all operations achievable through scripting can also be performed manually via the After Effects graphical user interface. This means having a solid understanding of After Effects itself is crucial for leveraging scripting to its full potential. Before we wrap up, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our series. Sharing this video can help others discover the power of scripting in After Effects. Your support helps create more content like this. Thank you for watching our introduction to scripting in After Effects. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we will dive deeper into scripting concepts and techniques. Until next time, keep experimenting and exploring the endless possibilities with After Effects. Goodbye.